My name is Fateme Banishoeib. I was born in a seaside city in the south of Italy, and I am a strategic leadership consultant. It was summer 2016 when I decided to start and launch my own business located here in Basel and working everywhere in the world. I decided to support organizations, leaders and teams to create true, innovative and inclusive environments. I was born in south of Italy by the sea, so I grew up playing by the sea all the time. When I was a little girl, I would run around trying to help people. As soon as they would mention, I have an headache, I'm not feeling well, I would try to make medicines for them. And this has been my lifelong dream, taking care of people. So I had no doubt what I wanted to do or what I wanted to study. So I studied pharmaceutical chemistry at the University of Rome in Italy. And after that, I left for my Ph.D. studies in organic chemistry, which I did in Belgium. What brought me to Switzerland was indeed work for a major pharma company located here in Basel. So in the first years of my career, I was very passionate and I wanted to continue and pursue the career into research and development, and that's where I started. And as I grew and as I matured, I got interested in other aspects. So I wanted to see what was the life of what I was making in the lab, and that was what brought me into quality assurance, into operation later on in my career in the pharma environment. I believe, and this is my experience within the corporate environment, that society and people and culture have evolved since the first time business model as we know it and understand it was created. And I feel like the business in a general terms has not evolved with the society needs. It's still back to the assembly line, and we need to shift from that assembly line where predictability and efficiency were the main driver, and support leaders, teams, organization in overall to make this shift. And this is the reason why I decided to start my own business. It came out of my own need. I went through several coaching sessions, a lot of development programs, and every time I was back, I had to face the struggle of how to implement it in the organization I was in. As a consultant, I'm independent, so I can bring that fresh pair of eyes that sometimes within the organization are lost because we are so used and caught up in the routine way of doing. And I also can bring that painful questions or challenge questions that maybe people don't feel to ask out loud, while as a consultant I can do. So I think I'm in a better position now to serve my mission, being from outside and knowing very well the inside. What is unique about me is that I combine different facets, and I spend a lot of time bringing all of those together. I'm a scientist as a background, so I have a very analytical and robust way of approaching to things. I'm an executive, so I know how to navigate the politics, how to respond to stakeholders and customers in a way that is actually fulfilling their needs. And I have a very creative side as well, which comes out in poetry. My constant curiosity to learn about other human beings and actually learn from our own uniqueness and understand what makes all of us humans. That is actually the driving force of everything I do today.